See, these kind of players, they need a team that is already developed. They don't need a suffering team or a growing team or a team that is building like our Chelsea team. Because Felix is someone, see, he easily lose the ball. On the ball, he lose the ball so easy to opponent players. He can't press. He can't defend. Yes, he is just good on the ball and maybe making that passes, that short passes. Sometimes, if he get the chance, he shoot. He is good on the ball, but off the ball is also important in modern football. And when we come to off the ball, Felix is not good. He is not that good. Even Maresca said it. The first round, he said it that the reason why he didn't want to start Felix and Cole Palmer because of the balance. As you are attacking, you need to defend also. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, what is happening to our Joao Felix? What is happening to our loanee Joao Felix? Not even up to the summer. And things we are hearing about him are not good. Are not good at all, guys. Let's see that. Let's see it. The current feeling is that AC Milan will not continue with Joao Felix. Internally, it has not been what they expected. It is really difficult for Milan, not only down to Joao. Let's wait for the new direction, but they can't imagine going to Chelsea and paying 40 to 45 million. So guys, that is the information, yes, about Joao Felix. From AC Milan, they can imagine going to Chelsea in the summer to pay 40 to 45 million for Felix. Yes, internally, what they were expecting from him, they haven't seen it or they didn't even see it. Because how many games he even play? So I don't know why. I think they're supposed to give him the playing time, yes, to see getting to the summer, they can then judge him. By the way, AC Milan as a team, they also have their own problems this season. Because I heard they also did some protests against their owners. Their team is also going down. Their team is also suffering, like our Chelsea. So the fans also did some protests. So AC Milan as a team, they are suffering. Even this season, when you look at them in the Serie A, I think they are ninth on the table. Yes, they will not get Champions League football. And as we write the news, it is not only down to Felix, it is about the club. Maybe if the direction of the club change, they can come back for Felix. But for now, they didn't see coming to Chelsea paying 40 or 45 million for Joao Felix. That is the issue here. And guys, let's talk about Felix. Yes, more. His career, yes, from Barcelona or from Chelsea first to Barcelona, from Barcelona coming back to Chelsea, Chelsea to AC Milan on loan, and now it seems it is not going to work. What is wrong? Or what are the problems? Guys, Chelsea signed Joao Felix in the summer. And if we are going to be honest, last season in the summer, Felix was not a solution to any of our problems in the summer. Yes, the transfer started with Omorodium, started with John Duran. Yes, because Chelsea wanted to sell Gallagher. And before they can sell Gallagher, they have to balance the books. They have to get a player, yes, to balance the books. So, Chelsea signing Joao Felix in the summer, it wasn't the right signing, or he wasn't the signing that we needed. In the summer, we needed a striker, if you can remember. We needed a striker. So Chelsea was trying to sign John Duran or Omorodion with Gallagher transfer. And even Omorodion transfer, it happened. But at the end of the day, I think it collapsed. Yes, I even reported it here that it was official. I think even Fabrizio also reported it that it was official. But at the end of the day, it collapsed. And Chelsea went and signed Felix. So to be honest, first of all, Felix was not the signing that needed. Because when you look at that position, the position that Felix can play, attacking area, the wing side, is already occupied in Chelsea. So because our owners wanted to sell Gallagher and make their pure profit or balance their books, that is why Chelsea go ahead and sign Felix. Yes, so that when Gallagher go, Felix can come to do the balancing of the books. So first of all, we didn't need Felix. Yes, to be honest, he is a good player. Yes, we saw it in the Conference League this season with Chelsea. He scored some number of goals and gave some assists. He is good. The profile look nice. And another thing I see about Felix, guys, See, guys, let's be honest here again. Felix is a good player, as I said. Yes, very technical player. Yes, good on the feet. He can control the ball. But guys, when you look at Felix playing style, his playing style, for now, he can't come to Chelsea and be a starter. Felix cannot come to Chelsea and want to be starting or playing every 90 minutes in Chelsea. That is what Felix wants. That is why he went out on loan to AC Milan. He wants playing time. He will be playing every game in the Premier League games, 90 minutes games. And when you look at his playing style, as I said, Charlie, see, these kind of players, they need a team that is already developed. They don't need a suffering team or a growing team or a team that is building like our Chelsea team. Because Felix is someone, see, he easily lose the ball. On the ball, he lose the ball so easy to opponent players. He can't press. He can't defend. Yes, he is just good on the ball. And maybe making that passes, that short passes. Sometimes, if he get the chance, he shoot. He is good on the ball. But off the ball is also important in modern football. And when we come to off the ball, Felix is not good. He is not that good. Even Maresca said it. The first round, he said it that the reason why he didn't want to start Felix and Cole Palmer because of the balance. As you are attacking, you need to defend also. So that is the issue with Joao Felix. Look at his Atlético Madrid. Look at the way they are playing. That ginger pressing, that aggressiveness. He can't play. He can't survive there. And Barcelona was a growing team. The season he went to Barcelona, they were still suffering. He can't play. This kind of players, as I said, they need already made team, completed team, so that you put them in when they are missing the ball or losing the ball. Yes, as far as the team is strong, yes, they will show team. Midfielders will be there to win the ball if he lose the ball. But this our Chelsea, we need result. This our Chelsea, we need competition. This season, we need top 4. So we can bring a player who can do all the necessaries. Yes, to win us football games off the ball and on the ball. Pressing, tackling, giving assists, scoring. Yes, we need that kind of player in our team currently to give us top 4 because we are tired. We are tired being off top 4, being off Champions League. And also, Felix as individual player, as a player, he has to understand himself. He has to know that he is no more the Joao Felix that started. Some years ago, he was one of the best players, in fact, having the potential. Yes, at that time, they were even selling him 120 million. He is no more that Felix. And even if he is that Felix, the team that he's going or playing recently, those teams need intensity. Those teams need energy, strength. Before you can play in the Premier League, particularly Chelsea, there is pressure. You need to have strength. You need to be serious on the ball and off the ball. So he has to understand himself recently. It's no more the Joao Felix that started, the young Joao Felix. No. Now things has changed. So if I am Joao Felix, I will come back to Chelsea next season, make sure that I train hard. Yes, put in the muscles, be serious off and on the ball. Any minutes my manager give me, I will respect it and take it. Yes, when it's time for you to start, nobody will tell you, everybody will see, even your manager will see that, okay, now the way Felix is playing, he can start for Premier League games. He can start for any game, Champions League, any game. Yes, but you moving from one thing after the other, one thing, you are still young. It's not good for your career. Stay in one team. Yes, be disciplined. Yes, be patient because Joao Felix playing style hasn't fit the kind of team that he want to play. The big team, the big guns. You need to be pressing, as I said, giving the energy, giving the strength, being serious on and off the ball. So if I'm Joao Felix, I'm coming back to Chelsea next season because AC Milan said they can't pay the 40 million or the 45 million Chelsea one. It will be difficult for them to pay it. So Joao Felix should come back to Chelsea and be serious. Guys, for me, that is how I see Joao Felix transfer. AC Milan said for now they can't pay 40 million for him. Maybe unless in the future things change. Yes. And let's come to our Nicolas Jackson, guys. In fact, Jackson started training. He will return next month, April. Yes. So he started training as you are watching on the screen. Yes. Our best striker. Yes. The best striker in the Premier League, Nicolas Jackson. Yes. We are wishing him Yes. Safe recovering, quick recovering. Yes. He should return. By the way, guys, I want to ask you this question. Now, Neto is our number 9. And so far, 2 games, it worked. Among the 2 games, he scored in one match. Yes. I think against Savantin, he scored. So do you think that Maresca should continue using Neto as our number 9, even if Jackson return? Or if Jackson return, he should come back and take over from his position, being number 9? Because it seems it is working. And sometimes, before Maresca can start Neto, Maresca need to bench Sancho or sometimes Madueke. So when you look at our wing side, it seems it is congested. Yes, congested there. So do you think that Maresca should continue using Neto as our number 9, or if Nicola Jackson return, he should come back to his original position, primary position? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And guys, Thomas Tuchel, our Champions League winning manager, met some of his players. Yes, his former players. Rhys James and co. Yes, that is good. That is good. That is what we are saying every day. See, as a player, when you give your best for your team to win something reasonable or to win trophies, you will be remembered in the future. Imagine they didn't win anything. How can they meet this way? Imagine they didn't have something to remember about Chelsea. Look at them. Mason Mount, Jorginho, Ben Chilwell, Rhys James, and Chalobah, who is at the back. Yes. So imagine they didn't win anything at Chelsea. Imagine they didn't play very well, play to their best and win something. So that is what we are saying. And some of us, we the fans, who saw these players play for Chelsea, when you also see them as a fan, you are happy. Yes, you like it. Yes, you have a smile, you wear a smiling face. But look at this, our current Chelsea. Imagine in the future they didn't win anything. Can you laugh with seeing Madueke? Can you laugh with seeing Sanchez? Can you laugh with seeing Disasi, Badiashile and co, even Caicedo, Enzo Fernandez? No, you have to win something. See, in a big club, trophy is the most important one, vital, crucial one. You have to win trophy to save your career so that in the future you can show it to your grandkids. Yes, this is what I won when I was playing football. Yes, so that we the fans, we can even tell it in the future. We can also tell our grandkids, our kids, yes, what we saw. We saw Chelsea lifting the Champions League trophy. We saw Chelsea lifting the Premier League trophy. That is history. Yes, that is something you can talk about. But look at this, our players, when they go into the pitch, as if they are forcing them to play for Chelsea. So guys, that is Thomas Tuchel. Yes, with his former players. And I am imagining, can he come back in the future and coach Chelsea under this new ownership? I don't think so. Maybe if we buy Chelsea, because I'm buying Chelsea. I am buying Chelsea. Maybe if I buy Chelsea, I will bring Thomas Tuchel back. So guys, let's do the contribution to buy Chelsea. Yes, but I will be the higher shareholder. Yes, I will be the majority shareholder here. So that I will take in charge of that recruitment process. I'll go and sign all the best players in the world. I'll go and bring Mbappe, Vinicius. I'll go and bring Osimhen and co, Victor Yogris, Nicola Jackson. I will increase Jackson wages, and I will increase Cole Palmer wages. Yes, and Sanchez, I will send him to jail. Disasi to jail. Badiashile to jail. Cucurella, I will increase his wages. Yes. And Caicedo, I will increase his wages double. Yes. So guys, prepare. Start your contribution. As I said, I will be the majority shareholder, so that I will buy Chelsea from these owners and bring our Chelsea back. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about all what we discussed in this video about Joao Felix transfer, his slow move to AC Milan. Milan said they can't pay the 40 or 45 million Chelsea want to sign him. Yes, guys. So please, guys, hit the like button and hit the subscription button to help this video reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Peace.